In this lesson, we're going to derive this commutator identity that you see here. So it's an identity for the commutator of A times B with a third operator C. And you see that what appears here on the right-hand side are anti-commutators. And just to remind you, the anti-commutator of two operators A and B is equal to the sum A times B plus B times A. So you see that this identity reduces this commutator of three operators to two terms that involve anti-commutators of two operators. And in quantum mechanics, this identity is very useful when A, B, and C are fermionic operators. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to derive this identity. And to do it, we'll use a useful formula that allows us to write A times B in terms of the anti-commutator of A and B. So this useful formula goes like this. We write A times B is equal to A times B plus B times A minus B times A. We just added and subtracted B times A. And now we can rewrite this as the anti-commutator of A and B minus BA. So this is the useful formula that we'll use to derive our identity. So, to derive the identity, we'll start by writing out this commutator in more detail. So we have AB commutator with C is equal to ABC minus CAB. And the first thing that we'll do is use our useful formula on this product BC that appears in the first term. So we'll rewrite it like this. A times the anti-commutator of B and C minus CB, and then subtract CAB. Now we can expand this out. We get A times the anti-commutator of B and C minus ACB minus CAB. And we see that we already have the first term of the identity. The next step will be to use our useful formula again, but now on A times C in the second term. So we rewrite this as A anti-commutator B with C minus anti-commutator of A with C minus CA, all times B minus CAB. And now we're almost done. Let's make a little room. And now we'll just expand this all out. We have A times anti-commutator of B and C minus anti-commutator of A with C times B plus CAB, because the two minus signs cancel, and then minus CAB, which was left over from before. So now we see that these two terms at the end cancel each other, and what we're left with is exactly our identity. So that's the end of this lesson.